Welcome to our video on creative intelligence agents, where we'll explore how AI can revolutionize content innovation. In today's digital landscape, there's an increasing demand for personalized content across various sectors. Organizations need to deliver engaging experiences quickly and efficiently. Traditional methods struggle to keep up with these high demands. This is where AI comes in. AI has evolved significantly, moving from simple rules-based systems to advanced models that can understand context, generate content, and create visuals. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-4 and DALL-E have set new standards for creativity and efficiency. However, merely relying on standalone generative models is not enough. Integration of multiple AI services is essential for seamless workflows. This is where autonomous creative assistants, or AI agents, come into play. These are intelligent systems that not only generate but also orchestrate creative processes autonomously. They help maintain consistency, optimize resource allocation, and enable rapid experimentation. Let's delve into the primary functions of these AI agents. They orchestrate complex tasks, managing workflows from ideation through to execution. They retain contextual memory to ensure that outputs align with brand guidelines and project goals. They are capable of adjusting their approaches based on performance data, ensuring that content is always relevant and engaging. Using AI agents, teams can generate personalized content that adapts to audience preferences, enhancing engagement and driving better results. The benefits are clear: increased scalability, reduced time to market, and the ability to focus on high-value creative tasks. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations in AI use are critical. Companies must ensure that their AI outputs are free from bias and respect intellectual property rights. Moreover, transparency in how AI systems operate is vital for gaining consumer trust. As we look towards the future, we see that the integration of AI within creative workflows is not just a possibility, but a necessity. By harnessing AI agents effectively, organizations can stay ahead of the curve in this fast-paced digital age. To conclude, if you want to start leveraging AI to enhance your creative processes, invest in understanding and implementing these technologies. Join the revolution of content innovation with creative intelligence agents today. For more insights and to download our comprehensive guide, visit the Orchestrates web store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.